just replaced the substrate in the chickens' run. And they're all busy filtering through it. Having a great time. It's a mixture of soil and sand. Now the soil is out the greenhouse. It's the spent soil from this year. I only garden organically, so there's no chemicals in the compost. There'll be lots of little beasties. That's what they're looking for. A nice search for some worms and beasties. I will try and get the big run done before Christmas. It's a much bigger area, so it'll take me a day or so to do that. And I also have to re-slab underneath before I can fill it back up. The compost from the greenhouse is organic compost and garden compost out my hot bin. There's my hot bin. So that's what I use in the greenhouse. And like I say, this is from last year with a nice mixture of sand in. I always make sure it's not silica sand. You're a good time, Peggy. Hey, you're a good girl. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It's just a little update on what they've been doing. Thank you. Bye bye.